Okay, y'all, watch as I give this bench a much-needed mommy makeover. The client requested a touch of added African elegance and is giving. First thing we do, obviously, we're going to take that top off. We peel this muffin cap back blue. Take them out of there. Use a staple remover, it was just much easier. Go through, restaple. Take off the original fabric, staple the new fabric. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. You count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and after you are done teaching numbers, this is what you have, a beautiful, elegant piece of art. This was the before. It's giving very much leave me at the store, don't even look my way, for real. Boom. It's giving, you see me. It's giving don't sit here, but you see me. It's giving beauty. You're my queen to be. Something. Beautiful. You like it? Yes. Oh. Yes, I see butterflies. You see butterflies? Yes. Do you like it?